What's up, everybody? So time has come for us to start working on this Supra. I bought it from the auction a few years back. Now we got time to start working on it and get it back to how it used to be.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I?
So we'll get it inside the shop, take everything out, put it on the frame. Order some parts. Got some damage right here. Got a ding right here. Dent right here. This side looks good, except for the fading paint. Here. We'll be cutting all the windows out. I'm thinking of changing the color, so in the comments below let me know what color you think we should paint it. We'll be fixing that. So we'll put it on a frame, drill out the support, pull this rail back, doesn't look that bad. This rail we're gonna have to replace. Upper rail not looking too good either. This apron should be able to straighten. So subscribe to see more videos of this thing getting rebuilt. Peace out, everybody.